Welcome back. So, a slightly choppy morning for the equity market, but let's figure out what's happening in the world of commodities. We have Manisha joining in, who's been telling us that, gold can move aside. It's silver that's been sparkling all the way through. So, which one is it, Manisha? What's catching your attention this morning?
Well, Bitcoin and silver both trading at an all-time highs, but I will take you through across precious metals on how the trades really have been. You know what? There's the safe haven buying, which really has come back into many of these precious metal prices. One, for them, it's supply tightness. For the white metals, that is, there's an increase in demand as well. And to ship many of these metals, it is the freight trades which also have been trading on the higher side, supporting prices on the upwards there. I'll start with gold because that one is trading at a one-week highs. We're looking at more than 0.5% of gain in the Asian markets right now. It absolutely has to do with safe haven buying. And then we also are looking at US widening the global trade wars with the new tariffs, and that clearly has been supportive. So that's about gold. But take a look at the silver prices, 13-year highs onto that one. Platinum and palladium also trading at a multi-year highs into the trade right now. Silver clearly should be on your radar because we're trading at a 13-year highs in the international markets. We've seen 3 weeks of constant gains. For the Indian markets, we are trading at 1,14,000 rupees a kg, which is an all-time high. Add to that the GST and the making charges, and you'll take the prices much higher from here. The investment demand has been strong, and a lot of silver guys tell us that it is the physical buying in sense of jewelry as well, which really seems to be doing well with what gold is doing, and the silver prices clearly seem to be supported with that as well. If you look at the overall price movement, then we've seen 3.5% of gains on Friday. For the year until now, it is 34% of gains that we've seen in silver. It has been 6 consecutive weeks of gains that silver also has posted. It's trading at an all-time highs in India, with the markets telling us that 1,25,000 is what you can expect to see in silver by the time it's Diwali. But it doesn't end there, because take a look at the platinum prices. We've seen 30% of tariffs coming on Canada, Mexico, Japan, South Korea, and that really seems to be impacting palladium prices at this point in time. Safe haven demand is one part of it. The trade war is yet another, and that safe haven buying seems to be coming in case of platinum and palladium as well. I want to take you through a last final plate which tells you on what we've done in sense of price movements in this year until now. So there you have gold, which made an all-time high in the first quarter of this year itself, is holding with its 28% of gains. Silver has been doing a catch-up, all-time highs in the Indian markets, 33.5% of gains until now. But clearly, it is about platinum. Last quarter saw platinum prices gain up by 40%. And the month of July has seen yet another 15 to 20% of gains, giving you a 60% of a return there. And palladium, because of shortages, deficits, etc., also has been doing quite well. So it really has been about the white metals within the precious metals, which have given you very, very strong returns.
All right. Manisha, thank you very much for that. Precious metals and are getting more precious in that sense, as Manisha puts it.